Hello everyone, welcome back to Tequila's Beauty, and today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful red synthetic wig. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. So the hair vendor that I did purchase this wig from is called Love Store, and I did order it on Amazon, so I will put the link down in the description so you can purchase your own. So this wig did come with this stocking cap. It wasn't my skin tone, but I will be showing you guys how I get it to match it as close as possible. And I will be showing you guys what all it came with and what I received in the package. So here, this is how the stocking cap look. And as you can see, like I said, it's not my skin tone. First, I will be starting off cutting the holes on the side of the stocking cap so I can fit my ears through it. And then I will show you the next step. Here I am using my Got2b Glue Blasting Frizz Spray, and that is to use to mold the cap down, and I will also be blow drying it so it can stay in place. I'm not a professional or anything. I'm just showing you guys what I learned so that I can help you guys out too as well. So here I am cutting off the excess to the wig cap. I am all done with that. I will be using my Fit Me Loose foundation powder to blend out this gap part so that it can match my skin as close as possible. Listen, y'all, I know I did not cut the cap as even as possible, but I got it as close as I could to make it look alright. It'll come out all in the end right. Just please trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. So I will be going over my cap with my Got2b Glue spray again to make this gap part a little more darker before I apply my wig. Here I will be applying my wig and fooling with it to try to get it how I want it to sit on my head before I start cutting the lace part off the wig. I know I'm supposed to mold the lace part before I cut it, but I did it backwards. Y'all, please forgive me. I'm just showing you guys the way I did it. So here I'm just cutting off the lace before I apply the Got2b Glue spray to hold the lace wig down. Here is where I applied the holding spray to mold the front of the lace wig. Yeah, y'all, it was a struggle, but I got through. I got it through. I don't know what it was, but that blow dryer was burning my forehead. So excuse them faces I was making. So now I'm using my folded do-rag to mold down my wig. So here I will be cutting off a little bit of hair so that I can make my baby hairs. Yes, honey, you know you need them baby hairs. Here I am just using my mousse. It don't have to be a specific type of mousse. It can be any old mousse to lay down the hairs, and I'm using my edge brush to try to train it how I would like it to go. After I applied the mousse and got my baby hairs to my liking, I did use some more Got2b glue spray to go over it so that I can mold the baby hairs. And this is the finished result. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.